Hi. Uh, in this video, I'm going to explain Harner's method, or its other name is synthetic division. What is this Harner's method? Harner's method is actually the shortcut method to find the remainder and quotient when some polynomial f of x is divided by x minus a. So we can also find uh, the remainder and quotient by the division method, like we have done the division in the previous video, which is about the Euclidean division. Uh, this is the method. I am taking this example here when this 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus x minus 1 is divided by x minus 2. So we can also divide this by this method. So I'm not going to waste your time at this method because I have explained in the Euclidean division method video in detail. So now I will explain here how we can use here the Horner's method. So what will we do? We will first substitute this x minus 2 is equal to 0, and you will get here x is equal to 2. So now I will make the progress in this way. First of all, we have to look at this dividend. Uh, Here you can see that the coefficient of x cube here is 3. So first of all, we will write here 3. Then next term is x squared, and its coefficient is negative 2. So with some space, I will write here negative 2. And next term is x raised to power 1. So I will write here, its coefficient is 1. So I will write here 1. Next, it is the constant term, which is negative 1. Now with some space, I will write here negative 1. So now this 2, I will write this 2 here. So I will take this 3 down as it is. So next, I will multiply this 2 with this 3. So what is the result? The result is 6. And this result I will write here 6. So now we will add this negative 2 and this 6. Negative 2 plus 6 is actually equal to 4. Now, what will I do? I will now multiply again this 2 with 4, and then I will write the result here. 2 times 4 is 8, and I will write here 8. Next, what will we do? We will add this 1 and this 8. Now, this is equal to 9. So now what next? I will multiply this 2 with this 9, and I will write the result here under negative 1. So 2, 9 times 18, I will write here this 18. Now we will add this negative 1 and plus 18, which is equal to 17. So the last number here, this one, 17, is actually the remainder. You can also verify here that this is also the remainder, which is 17. So first of all, we will write here the remainder, which is equal to 17. And next, we have to write here quotient. What is quotient here? This is the coefficients of the quotients. This one. This one is the quotient polynomial's coefficients. So degree of the given polynomial, this one was 3. Now, after one step, This 3 is now coefficient of x square. We will write here quotient. And then we will write this one 4. We will write this plus 4x. And then finally this 9 plus 9. If the coefficient of the polynomial, like in the given example, this is 3x cube, it means that its degree is 3. So after one step of the Harber's method or synthetic division, now this is the coefficient of x square, and this is the coefficient of x4, and 9 is the constant term. So this is the way to find the remainder and the quotient. You can match this remainder and this quotient with this method. Since in this method the remainder is 17, here is also remainder is 17. And now at the top, this is the quotient 3x squared plus 4x plus 9, which is the same here. So also you will understand this, that this Harber's method is a shortcut method to find the remainder and quotient. This is another example uh, for the synthetic division or Harber's method. So how can we carry on this? First of all, you have to set this x plus 2 is equal to 0. You will get x is equal to -2. Now you have to move here. First of all, you have to see the degree of this polynomial, which is 4. It means that highest degree term is this one, x raised to power 4. And we need its coefficient, which is 1. This is 1 is the coefficient of x raised to power 4. So we will write here, first of all, 1. This one, this is the coefficient of x raised to power 4. If x raised to power 4 is alone, then it means that its coefficient is 1. So next, x4, and then it should be x cube. But there is no x cube available, so we will write 0x cube. So it means that coefficient of x cube is 0. Next, this is minus 2x square. So you can see that coefficient of x square is -2. Now we will write here -2. And next one, this is -8 constant term. Now we will write here this constant, sorry, there is another term here, which is x raised x square. Now it should be here x, but there is no x term in this polynomial. So we will write here 0x. So coefficient of x is 0. And at the end, we will write the constant term, the term which is without x, which is -8. Now we will write here this -8. So again, we will make this kind of arrangement, and this -2, we will write this -2 here. So first of all, what will we do? We will write this 1 here as it is. Next, we will multiply this -2 with this 1, and we will write the result here under this 0. So -2 times 1 is -2, and now we will add this 0 and -2. So 0 plus -2 is actually -2. Next, what will we do? We will multiply this -2 with this -2. And we will write the result here under this -2. -2 times -2 is actually +4. So we will add now -2 and this +4. What will we get? We will get here +2. So what is our next target? Next target is, again, we have to multiply this -2 with this 2. and we will write the result here. So negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Now we will add this 0 and this negative 4, which is equal to negative 4. Next, what will we do? We will multiply this negative 2 with this negative 4, which is equal to plus 8. So now we have to add these two, which is equal to 0. So from here we can see that our remainder is actually equal to 0. And what is quotient? This is the quotient. This term, this setup is the quotient. So degree of the given polynomial was 4. You can see here its degree is 4. Now, what will we write? We will write this 1 as coefficient of x cube. Degree will decrease after one step of Harber's method. So this 1 is the coefficient of now x cube. You can write only x cube as well. And next we will write this negative 2. This is the coefficient of x square. And next this 2, which is the coefficient of x. And last term is the constant term, which is negative 4. So this is the quotient when this polynomial x raised to power 4 minus 2x squared minus 8 is divided by x plus 2. So this is the quotient. So this is the way to find the remainder and quotient. Uh, Also, you will understand this Harber's method. I have explained it with the help of two examples. Thank you.